Okay, I'm sorry. This is the second part of the reveal of my tumbler. I pushed the wrong button and cut the video off. Like I say, this is my first time recording a video, but here's a quickie of what the tumbler looks like when I take off my paper and the tape. And I use this little tool, the Cricut tool, to take off my plastic. Sometimes, depending upon, I need to get me some real gloves instead of these mittens, but right now it serves its purpose. I get it pulled in one place. Sometimes I take it all off in one swoop, like that. And all of the shrink wrap is now off. Now, I'll get a spot, same way to pull off the tape. And I like these little mats. They are heat baking sheets that I put on my working table, so when I'm doing this, I'm not melting or burning anything. But these little mats I also got off of Amazon.
Stay here. Lock the doors. Don't let anyone in unless it's the
For all of this, being sure not to take this tool when you scrape your cup. Try to only pick up the tape when you take this off. I'd rather use my fingers to pull it off than the tool. And that all came off nicely. And then one more small piece of tape to take off. And it is hot. Piece of that tin, like I don't know what. Okay, so it looks like I got all of the tape off, and I will reveal the picture. See how all that nice ink is gone? So I know picked up all the ink off my image, and it's probably still too hot for me to pick up. So far, I don't see any flaws on this cup. Here's how it looks. Nice and pretty. There are no flaws. I don't see any. At the bottom it's nice and even. See how that came out at the bottom? And up at the top where we tucked in the image. See how perfect that fits at the top of your cup. No flaws. But that's my lemonade girl. Then on the back, what does it say? When life gives you lemons, make lemonade, and I'll spike it. I thought that was so cute. I saw that on a graphic image, and I just took it and I made my own words on this cup. The only thing I brought was the image on the cup, and then everything else I took a background from Google that doesn't have any watermarks like the last one I made. I was so outdone when I did that, but that's the cup. No mistakes, no nothing. Very, very easy if you follow these steps. It's all about pulling your things tight and so that you can get a good image. And my seam, I love my seam. My seam on the back is perfect. And if you don't see that seam, then that's even better. But my seam on this cup runs right here. And when you can barely see your seam, you did a good job in bringing it together. But that's the seams on the back of the cup. So let me know what you thought of the video. Like I say, this is my first time doing one. A video on YouTube, since I got so many questions on how I do it. But let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing some more things and showing you how you can design your own images in this template that I purchased from Etsy, where you can drop your images right in that template and you're done. And this template that I've purchased is for the 20-ounce tapered tumblers, not the straight up and down skinny, but just like this one. This is a slightly tapered top. Very, can't hardly tell, but it's a slightly tapered top, and her template is perfect. Can't go wrong with it. I don't have to do no whole lot of resizing, so when I cut it out, it's perfect. So I will show different ones that as well on how to do that, because it does get kind of costly paying $5 a pop for an image, when sometimes you may see something that you would love to have. You should try to design it yourself, as I do. So that's it for me. Leave me any questions or comments. I will definitely answer. Let me know what you would like to know. I've been crafting now for over 20 years on all sorts of things. I do all kinds of things. I have so many things. I have to look around and see what do I want to do first, because I work on so many different projects. But that's it for me. Let me know how you liked it, and I'm sure I will be talking to some of you later. And I apologize for the second video. Like I said, it's my first time working a video. I didn't realize I cut myself off when it was time to reveal the image on the cut. But let me know, and you all have a good evening.